Win against JRU. Ano po muna yung nangyari after the loss against AEC leading to this?
Of course, we didn't take a break. Dapat break issue lang Wednesday namin kasi sa schedule namin. So we had practice, we had viewing, we addressed what we need to address. And I have to give it to the boys on how they played today. They really came out swinging, and the energy and effort was really there. You can see it right from the start.
Coach, first half pa lang mo, tinanggal nyo na kumbaga yung fight out of Jerry din eh. Kasi ang laki nung tinambak ng deficit. So, right from the get-go, ano yung in-advise mo din sa boys?
I just told them that as we all know, teams are always, every time they play San Beda, sabi ko, every time they play San Beda, they to expect 100% from the opponents. Diba? Their best game. It's just like AEC did. They came out with a lot of effort and they really played well. Their shooting, I think they shot 60% from threes, 60-70%. So sabi ko, instead of us being just, waiting for them to punch us, why not be the one to be more the aggressors? Diba? Hindi naman literally to punch first, but to, let's keep on attacking. Let's be the more aggressive team kaysa yung naghihintay lang kami.
Coach, nung third quarter naman though, Sonar had 16 of his 23. Then dumikit sila to 10. Ano po ba yung parang naging change dun sa... Kasi nag-back-to-back threes kayo. So
6-0 yata, 6-0, 9-0 with the free throws, I'm not sure. After when I called the timeout, I just told the team to compose themselves and focus on the next play. Let go of that 6-0, 9-0 start at the start of the third. Just focus on making the next stop, executing on the next offensive set. So ganun lang, instead of us dwelling with what happened already, tapos na yan eh. So it should just to always stay positive, whatever happens, and stay together lang sila.
Coach, you said din kanina
nabibilat
lumalaki kayo. Anyways, Coach, sabi nyo mukhang nandito kayo ulit like last year din eh. Up down yung first round. So is this something na
again, it's a different team. It's a different team, and we might need to relearn everything that we learned last year. So parang lahat kailangan ko ito. As a coach, hindi ko pwede i-expect na alam na nila. Although we still have 7 guys from last year's team, kailangan to keep coaching and keep teaching what we're trying to do, our system, our principles, and our mantra namin. Even yung attitude side, kailangan namin ituro ulit and the split letter.
Coach, yun nga, big loss nung sa EAC. Pero masasabi niyo po bang silver lining na nag-serve as wake-up call kasi nga most of your guys are bago ngayon sa team mo?
Hindi naman na silver lining or wake-up call, but sinabi ko na to before the start of the season, EAC and JRU will be hindi naman surprise teams, pero ako hindi nyo sila masyado pinapansin eh. Pero both teams are well coached, they have good players. And yung, I'm not making an excuse pero yung EAC players, nasa lineup ng Nueva Ecija ba? Pangasinan yung mga yun eh. Diba? Ganun dyan. 6. So, experience na rin talaga yung mga players sila in terms of playing yung mga tough games. As for us, it's of course we try to learn everything on wins and losses. So kahit itong panalo kami ngayon, nag-reviewing pa rin kami. Kung may matutunan pa rin kami sa amin o dun sa system na sinusubukan ginagawa namin, we'll keep on learning lang and building.
Coach, yung next game nyo is sa next Saturday na will be against Arellano. So ayun, mahabang break, in between from this game to the next, siguro how you try to keep yourself sharp para di